Hello everyone, this is Intellectual Disability Part 2. We have different mental abilities: average, more than average, and less than average. People with less than average mental abilities are known as intellectual disability. Such people have difficulty in changing their way of functioning appropriate to various situations in their everyday life. We have discussed about the intellectual disability and its characteristics in the last video. Link is in description. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more educational updates. We all know that prevention is better than cure. It's time to talk about the causes of intellectual disability and how we can prevent it. There are so many factors that causes intellectual disability. The conditions occurs before the birth of a child, that is when the child is in the mother's womb. During delivery and after the birth of a child may lead on to intellectual disability. Factors during pregnancy which leads to intellectual disability. Let's talk about the causes during pregnancy. Chromosomal abnormality involves the loss, gain, and exchange of genetic material from a chromosomal pair. These abnormalities often cause miscarriages but may occasionally result in a baby with some kind of disability, for example, Down syndrome, Fragile X syndrome. Second, infections in the mother. Infections in the mother during pregnancy affects the developing fetus, leading to the brain damage and other developmental issues. For example, rubella, toxoplasmosis. Third, the mother having fits. Seizures, also known as fits, in a pregnant woman can have significant impacts on the developing fetus. Seizures can lead to various complications that may cause intellectual disability in the child. Fourth, the mother having injuries over her abdomen due to accidents, it can be a serious cause of intellectual disability in a child. When a pregnant woman experiences any injury to her abdomen, such as from a car accident, fall, or other impacts, the developing baby can be directly affected. This trauma can lead to brain injuries in the fetus, potentially causes intellectual disability. Severe abdominal injuries can cause the placenta to detach from the uterus prematurely. Placenta is the organ that provides oxygen and nutrients to the baby. This condition, called placental abruption, can lead to lack of oxygen and nutrients for the baby, resulting in brain damage and intellectual disability. The fifth cause is drinking of alcohol by the mother. When a pregnant woman drinks alcohol, it can pass through the placenta to the developing baby, leading to a condition known as fetal alcohol spectrum disorders, FASD, and the most severe form is fetal alcohol syndrome, FAS, which can cause intellectual disability. Alcohol can stop the baby's brain from growing the right way, causing problems with thinking and learning. Alcohol reduces the amount of oxygen and nutrients that reach the baby, which can hurt the baby's growth and brain development. Alcohol is like a poison to the baby's developing cells, especially brain cells, leading to the brain damage and intellectual disability. Sixth, not eating a properly balanced diet by the mother. The baby needs important nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and proteins to grow properly. Without these nutrients, the baby's brain might not develop correctly, leading to learning and thinking problems. Good nutrition helps the baby's brain grow and form connections. Poor nutrition can slow down this process, causing intellectual disability. A balanced diet keeps both the mother and baby healthy. Poor nutrition can lead to complications in pregnancy, affecting the baby's development. Now let's talk about the preventions to be taken. First, the health of a pregnant woman should be regularly checked by a qualified doctor. Second, pregnant women are advised to consume a balanced diet consisting of green leafy vegetables, rice or wheat, maize, ragi or bajra, mixed cereals, beans, peas, milk, and choose to include eggs, meats, and chicken depending on their preferences. Third, if the pregnancy is not wanted and an abortion is planned, the abortion should be done only in a hospital by a qualified doctor. Fourth, vaccination against tetanus must be taken by the woman. Fifth, carrying heavy loads, walking on slippery ground, climbing trees, or narrow tools or ladders during pregnancy should be avoided to prevent accidents. Sixth, medicines should be taken by the pregnant woman only on the advice of a qualified doctor. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.